Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Somebody posted this several days ago on Facebook, and everybody was commenting about Snap 2, so I thought I'd go over this. If you have Snap 2 object on, it kind of snaps to those lines. They were trying to make these things. So if you just go from node to node, it's going to snap to it. Now, Snap 2 on later versions actually has its own icon. But if you don't have Snap 2 there, I'm pretty sure it was always under view. And right here is Snap 2. And you can Snap 2 guidelines, baseline documents. But the main two are objects, page, and guidelines. But I thought I'd go over, there's other ways you can do stuff like that by taking this, going to the Extrude tool, which is underneath your drop shadow fly out. Just kind of grab it in the middle and just extrude it out and then pull the lever. But a lot of people would be confused because it gets smaller, which you would want in some cases. But if you don't, you can go right here and press the one that is like equal. And then those two squares are equal in size, even though they're so far apart, they don't really look like it. Let's prove that they are. Let's go to object group. Well, a lot of times you're going to have to select everything, go to object and break the extrude group apart. And let's look at that versus that, and they're the same size. It's really kind of optical illusion that these two are the same size, but it did the same. It did it. And go up here and go to object and ungroup those two. And if we hit P, well, still got a line up there. But anyway, we can figure this out by Smart Fill tool and hitting P. Smart Fill tool, let's change it to yellow and hitting P. You can see that they're both 6.08 big. 6.08 big. So you could do the same thing without having to draw those lines, just by taking a rectangle. I'm having a little bit of trouble picking that. Just draw your square, go over and get your extrude tool and just extrude it out. That makes it look more like what we were doing earlier, but this is the effect most people want because it's kind of vanishing away. But there's these two right here that'll make them the same. I don't really understand the difference between push-pull and whatever. Maybe I ought to do a little research in that. But what I'll do like about it, you can change it after the fact, and you could probably group that together and change it anyway. Anyway, hope that helped. Thank you for watching.